This is Rick with Vandemic Campervans. I'm back again. We've got another client build. Really cool story with this. We met this client 1 year ago to date. She had to move heaven and earth to make this happen. She did. We were able to get this done for her, and she's picking this up tomorrow, and we cannot wait to show you. Our client chose the Bonnie layout, so there's an overhead kitchen cabinet, built-in spice racks, and a paper towel holder. Just above the sink on the right is the switch to the SureFlow water pump, and on the left is the switch to the release for the undermounted 10-gallon gray water tank. In most of our builds, we use a nice deep bar sink in a black stainless steel with a black pull-down faucet. I mentioned before, but a nice overhead kitchen pantry is an easy reach above the sink. Under the sink is plenty of storage, the switch to the water heater, the Blue Technologies water filter, and the propane cubbies for the stove. A nice kitchen would not be complete without a large cutlery drawer for all of your utensils. A 16-inch flip-up helps add some much-needed counter space for van life. A 2-burner propane stove is the perfect addition for all of your cooking needs and saves a ton of power versus an induction cooktop. Rounding out the kitchen is an Isotherm 85 fridge. An add-on this client opted for is a 900-watt microwave that is mounted just above the closet. On the face of the closet, we have the inverter control, battery monitor, and heater thermostat, making everything extremely accessible. The driver's side has 2 overhead cabinets, both which are good sized. People love our Bonnie layout most because of the well thought out closet design. The living room has a large AMA screened slider window that brings in a ton of light and airflow and is nicely dressed with some pull down blackout shades. Under the closet, the toilet has its own storage with very easy access. This client opted to add a rooftop AC, so there's just one max air fan up front. Both seats swivel up front, and we always include a lagoon table. On to the bedroom. This client opted for a large bedroom window to pour light all over her short queen mattress. We never get tired of views like this while lying in bed. The two largest overhead cabinets are in the bedroom to store all of your clothes while traveling. We love providing a huge garage for our clients. Another zone of lights and also a shore power are located in the back here as well. Our builds are equipped with a 3000 watt Ames inverter, a Victron battery to battery charger, and a Victron solar charge controller. And you'll have a robust 460 amp hour lithium battery bank. On the passenger side is all the plumbing with a 28 gallon freshwater tank, the water inlet, and then a heated outdoor shower. We can't forget the 12 volt electric 2.5 gallon hot water heater. A little shout out to one of our favorite vendors, Van Essentials. They have rear door storage now, and we also use them for all of their insulated blackout shades in every single one of our vans. This client opted to add a flatline Vanco roof rack and ladder. I mentioned before a Dometic RTX 2000 AC. And then we provide 400 watts of solar to every single ProMaster we build. Thank you so much for making it all the way through. Do us a favor, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and then drop us a comment below. Let us know what you like, what you didn't like. Again, as we grow, the more feedback we get from our community, the better we can make our builds. And again, we also have some availability in 2025. Something like this could be yours, and we would love to build one out for you.